What if there was an animal that could regrow its brain, its heart, even entire limbs, and never truly grow up? Meet the axolotl, one of the most biologically extraordinary creatures on Earth. The axolotl's scientific name is Ambystoma mexicanum, and the name axolotl is closely related to the Aztec Empire because the name axolotl comes from the Nahuatl language and is linked to the Aztec god Xolotl, the deity of fire and lightning. According to legend, Xolotl transformed into an aquatic creature to escape sacrifice, and that creature became the axolotl. Axolotls belong to the salamander family, but they break one of the fundamental rules of amphibian life: the salamander that never grows up. Most amphibians hatch with gills, then undergo metamorphosis and move onto land. Axolotls do not. They exhibit a condition called neoteny, remaining in their juvenile aquatic form for their entire lives. That's why they retain external feathery gills, a fin-like tail, and a fully aquatic lifestyle. Biologically, axolotls possess a thyroid gland, the organ responsible for triggering metamorphosis in other amphibians. However, in axolotls, thyroid hormone production is very low, and their physiological response to it is different. As a result, the genetic program for transforming into a terrestrial salamander is almost never activated naturally. Master of regeneration. Axolotls are world famous for their regenerative abilities. They can regrow entire limbs, their spinal cord, parts of their heart, sections of their brain, and jaw tissue. Remarkably, they regenerate without forming scar tissue. The axolotl genome is about 10 times larger than the human genome, making it one of the largest animal genomes ever sequenced. Research on axolotls helps scientists understand regeneration and its potential medical applications. Habitat, wild variants, and threats. In the wild, axolotls live in only one place on Earth: Lake Xochimilco, located in Mexico City. Unlike the bright pink axolotls often seen in aquariums, wild axolotls have natural coloration adapted for camouflage. They are typically dark brown, olive green, or mottled with black and gold speckles. This darker pigmentation helps them blend into muddy lake beds and aquatic vegetation. The famous pink leucistic axolotl, commonly seen in captivity, does not naturally dominate wild populations. Those color morphs are primarily the result of selective breeding in laboratories and the pet trade. Urbanization, pollution, and invasive fish species have severely damaged their habitat. Today, wild axolotls are critically endangered. Ironically, while they are widespread in captivity, their original wild form is becoming increasingly rare. Colors and popularity. In captivity, selective breeding has produced various color morphs: leucistic pink, albino, golden, and melanoid black. They have even appeared in games such as Minecraft, introducing them to a global audience. The axolotl is a creature that refuses to grow up. Yet behind its permanent smile lies a biological marvel, a genetic mystery, and an urgent conservation story. A salamander that rarely transforms, but may one day help humanity understand transformation itself.